Good day, fam. This is Tan back with another product review. Today I'll be installing these chrome trim pieces onto the back of my bumper right down here. If you watch any of my previous videos, you know I'm an old school chrome guy, and so these pieces I felt would give my back bumper some pop and just to kind of set it apart from the other Highlanders on the road. So I got it on eBay. I'll put a link in the description. This is basically pretty simple. I already wiped it down. Just used a wet wipe here and just wipe this area good, right down here real good. And then after that, you just use like an alcohol pad and wipe this down so that way you can get this as dry as possible. And then I'll use a microfiber towel to wipe it so it's super dry, and then I'll go ahead and apply the piece on. If you're curious about what this looks like, give me a second here. Take it out of the bag.
We're allowed to go in the car? Yeah. Only you?
Basically, it'll look like that. And for me personally, I like this look, and we'll see how it looks after I put both sides on. So as for the piece itself, you can tell it's super reflective chrome, and on the back there's double-sided tape. Pretty simple, just peel off the red backing and then just stick it right onto this piece right over here. Now in the directions on the box, it does say that once you stick this on there, don't wash your car for a week. I think as long as it's on there good and it's dry for a day, you should be good. But I don't plan to wash this car for at least a month. Let's take a look at what the final product looks like. All right, so just to show you the backing, I'm going to take it off here. Take that off, take this piece off, and then we're just going to simply stick it to this bottom piece right here. Just like that. It's my microfiber towel. I'm just going to securely press down on where the double-sided tape was. Alright, then when you pan back, that's the finished product. What do y'all think? Again, old school chrome, I love it, but for my Chrome Delete peeps, this might not be to your personal flavor, but to each their own. Just wanted to show you something new. Anyhow, take care. Peace.